Exercise 4. Solve the inequality radical to x minus 5 square less than or equal to 2. We know that radical x square equal absolute value of x. For this inequality, radical bracket square is equal to absolute value of 2x minus 5. The bracket 2x minus 5 in absolute value is less than or equal to 2. By the formula radical bracket square is equal to the bracket absolute of the bracket. This inequality is equivalent to 2x minus 5 is between minus 2 and plus 2 by the formula if radical x less than or equal to a, then x is between minus a and plus a. For a is positive. So the double inequality implies x between three over 2 and 7 over 2. Therefore, the set solution is the interval 3 over 2 and set over 2. For the exercise 4, solve the equation absolute 3 minus 2x plus absolute x minus 3 minus 2x plus 3 equal 2. First, we have to write the expression without absolute value. For 2x minus 3 or for 3 minus 2x as absolute, we have 2x minus 3 equals 0 for x equal 3 over 2, positive for x greater than the root, negative for x less than. Similarly, for x minus 3 equals 0, positive, negative. So, absolute value of 2x minus 3, in the case if 2x minus 3 is negative, so the absolute of 2x minus 3 is equal to the opposite to 2x minus 3, equal minus 2x plus 3. If 2x minus 3 positive, so the absolute equal to x minus 3. Similarly, for absolute x minus 3, x minus 3 negative for x less than 3, So absolute is the opposite minus x plus 3 and equal x minus 3 for x greater than 3. Now we add minus 2x plus 3 plus minus x plus 3 and minus 2x plus 3 to obtain minus 5x plus 9. Also minus 2x plus 3, the sum is minus x plus 3, also the sum is x minus 3. Now the equation E in the interval minus infinity 3 over 2 is minus 5x plus 9 equal to minus 5x plus 9 equal to in the interval minus infinity 3 over 2. The solution is x equals 7 over 5. 7 over 5 belongs to the interval minus infinity 3 over 2, since 7 over 5 is less than 3 over 2. Therefore, x equals 7 over 5 is a solution of the equation. Now, in the interval 3 over 2 and 3, the equation E becomes minus x plus 3 equal to, gives x equal 1. 1 does not belong to the interval 3 over 2, 3, because 1 is less than 3 over 2. So, it's not a solution of the equation E. Finally, in the interval 3 plus infinity, the sum, the equation is x minus 3 equal to, in the interval 3 plus infinity, x equal 5. 5 belongs to the interval 3 plus infinity. Therefore, the solution, set of solutions of the equation E is the two values 7 over 5 and 5.